Good morning, students. Welcome to Shivaji Group of Institutions online classes. Students, this is your maths class, and today we will discuss our new topic, divisibility rule. Divisibility. Divisibility rules. Okay. So, students, divisibility by 2, divisibility by 3. And divisibility by 2 to 11. Today we will discuss divisibility by 2 to 11. So students, first we discuss divisibility by 2. Divisibility by any number is divisible by 2 if in its ones place 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If any number is divisible by 2, if in its ones place 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. These are the number are in its ones place 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Then the number is divisible by 2. Look, 12,568 is divisible by 2 or not? First we look the ones place number. Ones place number is 8. If 8 is in ones place number, so the number is divisible by 2. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If these all the digits are in ones place, so we can say that the number is divisible by 2. Okay. Next number is, this number is divisible by 2 or not? So look at the ones place number and the property of divisibility of 2. If 0 is in ones place, so the number is divisible by 2. Understood? If 4 is in ones place, so the number is divisible by 2. 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, any number is in ones place, so we can say that the number is divisible by 2. Understood? Next property is divisibility by 3. So how to find that the number is divisible by 3 or not? So students, the sum of all the digits, if the sum of all the digits are divisible by 3, so the number is divisible by 3. This number is 12,663. This number is divisible by 3 or not? So students, the property of divisibility by 3 is the sum of all the digits is divisible by 3. Then the number is divisible by 3. So sum of all the digits means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 3. These are the digits and sum all the digits. 2 plus 1 plus 6 plus 6 plus 3. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 6 9 plus 6 15 plus 3 18. The sum of all digits is 18 and the sum of all digits is divisible by 3. If the sum of all digits is divisible by 3, 6 is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 3. If sum of all the digits is divisible by 3, so we can say that this number is divisible by 3. Understood? Next example. Is this number is divisible by 3 or not? So the same process. The sum of all the digits 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 6 plus 6 plus 2. 6 to 8 to 10, 16, 22 plus 2, 24. If sum of all digits is divisible by 3, yes, is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 3. Okay, this number is divisible by 3. So students, next property, divisibility by 4. Divisibility by 4. Divisibility by 4. If the property of divisibility by 4 is, if the tens place number and ones place number is divided by 4, then the whole number is divided by 4. If the tens place number and ones place number is divided by 4, then the whole number is divided by 4. Look, we have a number. Is this number is divided by 4? So the property is, if the tens place number and ones place number, this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, okay. So the tens place number and ones place number is divided by 4. Tens place number is 6 and ones place number is 4. Is this number is divided by 4? Yes, it's divided by 4. If this number is divided by 4, then the whole number is divided by 4. Then the whole number is divided by 4. Understood? Any number, if the ones place number, tens place number and ones place number is divided by 4, then the whole number is divided by 4. Understood? Next example. Is this number is divided by 4? The tens place number and ones place number is 41. 41 is divided by 4? No. 41 is not exactly divided by 4. So this number is not divided by 4. Understood? Next property, divisibility by 5. Divisibility by 5. Now, so students, if any number, if in ones place 0 or 5, okay. In any number, if ones place is 0 and 5, so the number is divisible by 5. Look, 5 1, 5 2, 5 1, 2, 5. Is this number is divisible by 5? So in ones place, the number is 5. The digit is 5. So this number is divisible by 5. Is this number is divisible by 5? Yes, in ones place the digit is 0. If the digit is ones place, the digit is 0 and 5, so the number is divisible by 5. So the number is divisible by 5. Understood? Next, divisibility rule of 6. Divisibility rule of 6. So how to find that the number is divisible by 6 or not? So students, first we know the factors of 6. 2 and 3. 2 and 3 is the factor of 6. So if the number is divisible by 2 and 3, 2 and 3, so we can say that the number is divisible by 6. If the number is fully divisible by 2 and 3, then the number is also divisible by 6. Okay, because 2 and 3 is the factor of 6. So look, we have example. 1284. Is this number is fully divisible by 6 or not? We have to find that this number is divisible by 6 or not. Okay, so as we know, the property of 6 is if the number is divisible by 2 and 3, 2 or 3, 2 and 3. If the number is divisible by 2 and 3, then the number is also divisible by 6. So is this number is divisible by 2? Yes. In one's place there are 4. The digit is 4. So the property of 2 is if in one's place 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. The digits are 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So the number is divisible by 2. This number is divisible by 2. Now find, is this number is divisible by 3? Is this number is divisible by 3? So the property of divisibility rule, divisibility by 3 is the sum of all digits is divisible by 3. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 8, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 8 11 plus 4 15. Is 15 is divisible by 3? Yes. So the sum of all the digits is divisible by 3. So we can say that this number is divisible by 3. This number is divisible by 2 and 3. So this number is also divisible by 6. Understood? This number is also divisible by 6 because this number is divisible by 2 and 3. Okay? Next property, divisibility by 8. Divisibility by 8. So the rule of divisibility by 8 is in the number, in any number, if the hundreds place number, tens place number and ones place number is fully divisible by 8, then we can say that the number is divisible by 8. Okay, the hundreds place number, tens place number and ones place number is divisible by 8, then any number is divisible by 8. Look, is this number is divisible by 8. So the property is if the hundreds place, this is ones place number, tens place number and hundreds place number, is hundreds place number, tens place number and ones place number is divisible by 8. So the whole number is divisible by 8. Now 184 is divisible by 8. Yes, 184 is fully divisible by 8. So this number is divisible by 8. Understand? Look, next example. Is this number is divisible by 8? Now hundreds place number, tens place number and ones place number. 124 divided by 8 is not fully divided by 8. So this number is not divided by 8. So this number is not divisible by 8. Understood? Next property, divisibility by 9. Divisibility by 9. The divisibility rule of 9. Divisibility by 9. If sum of all digits is divided by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. If sum of all digits is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. Look, the example is this is number 25,623. Is this number is divisible by 9? So the property is the sum of all digits 2 plus 5 plus 6 plus 2 plus 3. The sum of all digits is divisible by 9. The sum of all digits 5 plus 2 7 6 13 plus 2 15 plus 3 18. If sum of all digits is divisible by 9, yes, it's fully divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. Okay, next. If this number is divisible by 9, the sum of all digits is divisible by 9. Now, Forty-three is divisible by 9. No. So this number is not divisible by 9. Understood? So students, next property, divisibility by 10. Divisibility by 10. If in any number, if the ones place number is 0, then that number is divisible by 10. If in any number, if the ones place number is 0, the number is divisible by 10. Okay? 1000 divisible by 10. Yes. The ones place number is 0, so this is divisible by 10. Okay? So divisibility by 11. Divisibility by 11. Okay? This property we will discuss in our next class. So students, this is enough for today, and it's your homework to revise all the properties 1 to 10, and revise exercise 6A and 6B. Okay students, your homework is revise exercise 6A and 6B. Okay, revise exercise 6A and 6B, and revise the divisibility rule of 1 to 10. Okay, so next time we will discuss divisibility by 11 and exercise 6C. Okay, thank you.